I think it's fantastic. This guy always impressed when he immediately came from under 19 to the big show. You could see that he has got class. He's got that extra bit of time and he's got the lazy elegance. But that doesn't guarantee that guy will go all the way. And this guy has shown that in all formats, he's got that sensibility. His temperament is very, very mature. And that's why, Indian think tank must have seen a future leader. It's unfortunate that we lost the first match, because he made some mistakes, because then everybody needs to have that kind of time. And he doesn't have the luxury of Rohit and Virat in the team also. The big guns are gone. Having said that, but just being mature, because captain, if he does well, the team has to fall in place, because you have to lead by example. And I think it doesn't matter with his records, highest score and all that. In spite of losing the last match, the way he's carried on, and now this innings, then they've still not declared. It shows that they don't want to bat twice. This is the problem, because they know England has got the depth to come back. So I think for him, for Indian cricket, it augurs well. Two centuries in 2 matches, in spite of our big guns failing earlier on in this innings. But the inning by Jaiswal also, I think, set up the stage for this innings. But his maturity, the time it took, the temperament, that shows that from T20 we saw him score runs in IPL. And you can imagine the capacity of a young player at that age to lead the team and change gears and play dirty. So that shows that he's got a lot of gravitas and depth.
Coming into a match with a full of pressurized situations, and there were no big guns, and you are coming after losing a match and then scoring a century. What do you think makes him different in this case?
So that's what I said, because his temperament. Not many players can immediately shift gears, because once you get used to playing big shots, suddenly you get tempted. And in this game, he's the captain. We lost the first match, but you can see that he resisted, because he knew that if he gets out, we might just collapse again. So this kind of maturity at that age, when you're leading first time, and you said right that he doesn't have the luxury of that kind of body of work with Rohit and Virat in the team. So he's a young guy leading a team. A lot of eyes pressure on him, because there's 5 test series. But he's hit the ground running. He's walking the talk, and the team has to follow. Once the captain starts doing well, then you can't have any excuse. The team has to fall in line. The big problem is that when a new captain comes and he fails, that's when they start the downward spiral and the cricket goes down. So I think this augurs well for Indian cricket.
Do you notice some sort of technique change or something in his batting in this innings?
See, let me tell you, technique, at times you're overrated, and at times you require technique. But, it's a shifting goalpost, because technique, what it used to be 20 years ago, you require a different technique, because your mindset is easy to just bat in all kinds of manner. You can slog, you can play defensive. But at that time, when you get that kind of temptation, because you've done that, because some balls you would have cleared for 6, but then you resist, because you know that, if I get out, I'm the captain. So just to not fall for temptation and just stick to the job, leaving the balls and making the other team, frustration. So this is, you have to cause. Test cricket is all about causing, stress on the other team by staying in the middle. And when I say ugly and dirty batting, even when you're blocking the ball like Cheteshwar Pujara and all, but he still looks so elegant, because that quality God has given him, that extra second, that lazy elegance he's got. And at young age, the maturity is shown. He'll grow in the job. The tactical mistakes he did and certain errors he does, he will also, with this innings, he will get that confidence to just get the luxury to just make those tweaking changes to become a better captain.
How big of a role will this innings play in his captaincy?
So I was thinking you'll ask about this series, because we lost the first match. We did so well, 5 centuries, we came close, but just we didn't get over the line. And suddenly in the last session we lose the match. If we would have drawn the match or won it, and then you could have seen that he's spring in his step. But he knows that this series is a long series. So he has to win a match. And winning the match, the bowlers get you 20 wickets. And he's not going to bowl. So how well he manages his resources, because, we are changing so much in the bowling department. So that's an issue, because Bumrah is not there, and who's going to be the lead of the pack. So the confidence he will give to the bowlers, the kind of freedom and the kind of tactics, that I will be able to see after this innings. Does it change? Does it give him that extra confidence to do more or be more proactive? And I think when you get runs, you can try a lot more. When you're not scoring runs and you're losing, then you become very defensive. And that is wrong. So I think this innings will give him the luxury.
Last one, sir. Do you think it is finally the time that he has taken over the baton from Virat Kohli?
I think just comparing him with Virat Kohli is wrong because Virat Kohli के बाद Rohit Sharma भी आए. So if you're comparing the captaincy or in batting, stature, no, he'll have to do a lot more to be compared with Virat Kohli. He also knows that. By just getting more runs in an innings, Virat Kohli doesn't cut it for me because Karun Nair has got a 100. So Virat Kohli doesn't have 100. So your body of work makes you a bigger player. How long you last there, how long you sustain the pressure as a captain. You lose series. And the coaches will be changed. The core of the team will change. But how well you can make the next big, stars. That's what Saurav Ganguly did. He created, Dhoni did. So he has to, see what players will last longer, and he has to create his own brigade. So that will happen soon.